Hi children, how are you all? Hope all are fine and healthy. So everybody, let's just stay home, be alert, but don't panic. Think positively, don't break the study. Let us continue our study. So in our last grammar class, I explained to you about the sentence, its features, kinds of sentences. They are assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. So today we are going to do the exercise part of the first lesson. Exercise A. Read the following sentences and write their kinds. First question. He is fond of tea. It's a simple statement. That's why we have to write assertive sentence. Whose is this car? This is whose is a question word, and at the end of the sentence there is question mark. That's why this is an interrogative sentence. Third one, what a difficult task it is. That is exclamatory sentence. Fourth one, go there at once. It is imperative sentence. Fifth one, how naughty the child is. This also exclamatory sentence. My train stopped suddenly. This is a simple statement. That's why assertive sentence. Seventh one, may I come in? It's a question. At the end they put question mark. That's why it is an interrogative sentence. Now eighth one, never tell a lie. It's a command or advice. So it is imperative sentence. Why are they making noise? It is interrogative sentence. That car is ours. It is assertive sentence. It's a simple statement. That's why assertive sentence. Now exercise B. Rearrange the words in the following groups to make each group a meaningful sentence. Also write the kind of sentence in the bracket. First one, example is given there. Very King A was Ashoka great. Here these group of words are not in correct order. We have to rearrange these group of words and make a complete meaningful sentence. And this is an assertive sentence. So first one, laughed him all at friends. We have to rearrange these group of words into all his friends laughed at him. All his friends laughed at him. I forgot to write the kind of sentence. It is assertive sentence. So you please write in the bracket here assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. Only assertive, no problem. You can write. Now second one, beautiful this is how place. So we can rearrange these group of words in this way. How beautiful this place is. How beautiful this place is. After writing the sentence, you have to put here exclamation mark. So this sentence is an exclamatory sentence. Here in the bracket, inside the bracket, please write exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory. Okay. Now the third one, you lunch did have. We can rearrange these words. Did you have lunch? So at the end of the sentence you have to put a question mark, and in the bracket you please write interrogative sentence. Now fourth one, it is door open don't the. We can write don't open the door. It is imperative sentence. So in the bracket you please write imperative. Now exercise C. Make a sentence about each of the following. Example, the Taj Mahal and Agra. We have to make a sentence with these words. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. Now there is word given cat and a mouse. We can make the sentence. The cat is running after the mouse. The cat is running after the mouse. Now second one, bird and sky. So we can write the bird is flying in the sky. Sky spelling you know, SKY, sky. Now third question, Christmas and December. The Christmas comes in December. The Christmas comes in December. Fourth question, India and independence. India celebrate its Independence Day on 15th August. India celebrate its Independence Day on 15th August. Now last one, Earth and moon. The moon revolves around the earth. This is the fifth one. So our first lesson exercise portions are over. You have to study the first lesson. So see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.